Hello and welcome to PassFab channel. So, if you're staring at your iPhone screen and it's showing something like this, iPhone is locked to owner. It usually happens if you have forgotten your Apple ID password and cannot unlock your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock your iPhone without needing an Apple ID account password. Note that this method works on iOS 26 and earlier iOS versions. Before I get to the main tutorial, I just want to mention this. The method I'm going to show will delete all the data on your phone. In case you don't want to lose any of the data on your iPhone, or you don't have any backup, you may want to recover your Apple ID account. You can do this by using Apple's official password reset website, iforgot.apple.com. It's specifically for recovering your Apple account ID. You can use it to reset your password. Visit this website in your browser and follow the procedure or instructions on the website to get back access to your Apple account. The best method to unlock your device without using an Apple ID account is by using PassFab iPhone Unlock. This is a powerful tool that can remove the activation lock directly, even if you've forgotten your Apple ID or password. It also works for all iPhones and iPads and can unlock them. To use it, visit the website using the links in the video description below. Download and install the software on your computer. Connect your locked iPhone to the computer, then launch the program and select this option, Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Click Start, and your device will begin to enter recovery mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into DFU mode. DFU stands for Device Firmware Update, which is necessary for starting the jailbreak process. Quickly press and release the volume buttons, then hold the side button until the screen turns black. After 2 to 4 seconds, release the side button, but keep holding the volume down button. If the screen stays black, your device is successfully in DFU mode. Once detected, the jailbreak will begin automatically, and it usually takes about 8 minutes. When the jailbreak is complete, click on Start to begin removing the activation lock. Your device will reboot and enter recovery mode once more. Follow the on-screen instructions to re-enter DFU mode so that PassFab iPhone Unlock can finish the process. After a few minutes, the activation lock will be completely removed. Your iPhone will restart, and then you can set it up as new. Now that you've gotten back access into the device, you can later sign in with a brand new Apple ID. And that's it. You've successfully bypassed the activation lock without needing an Apple ID account or password. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.